Start. In the matter of State versus Deepak Sharma, the defendant was charged with the offence of criminal breach of trust under section 405 of the Indian Penal Code. The prosecution alleged that the accused, being entrusted with certain properties, dishonestly misappropriated the same for his personal gain, thereby committing an offence punishable under section 406 of the IPC. During the trial, the prosecution examined multiple witnesses, including the complainant, forensic experts, and other relevant parties. The complainant Vidhi Badgujar stated that she had entrusted the accused with a sum of rupees 10 lakh for investment purpose. However, instead of investing the amount as agreed, the accused used the funds for personal expenses. The prosecution submitted documentary evidence including bank statement, email, and agreements to substantiate the claim. The forensic report confirmed that certain documents presented by the defense were forged and manipulated. On the other hand, the defense counsel argued that there was no dishonest intention on the part of the accused at the time of receiving the amount. The defense submitted that the transaction was purely civil in nature and that a criminal case should not have been initiated. The defense replied on precedents to establish that mere failure to return money does not constitute a criminal breach of trust unless accompanied by fraudulent intent. The Honorable Court, after carefully considering the evidence, found that the essential ingredients of criminal breach of trust were satisfied. The court held that the accused had misappropriated the entrust property with dishonest intent. The court observed that mens rea or guilty intention is a crucial factor in determining the guilty of the accused. While delivering the judgment, the Honorable Court relied on the Supreme Court ruling in XYZ versus State, wherein it was held that in case of criminal breach of trust, the prosecution must prove that the accused had dishonestly disposed of the property contrary to the terms of the trust. Accordingly, the court found the accused guilty under section 406 of the IPC and sentenced him to rigorous imprisonment for 3 years, along with a fine of 50,000 rupees. The court also directed the accused to compensate the complainant for the financial loss suffered. The defense counsel pleaded for leniency, citing the accused's previous clean record and family responsibilities. However, the court held that financial offences caused significant harm to society and required deterrent punishment. The court emphasized that economic crimes affect public trust and should be dealt with strictly. The court further directed the investigating agency to ensure the attachment of the accused properties to recover the misappropriated funds. The